How to select English on Duolingo. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily select English on Duolingo. So if you are downloading Duolingo for the first time, it's available for free on Play Store, so you can simply get it from there. And once you open the application, just click on get started quickly and click on continue, and once again click on continue. So once you're inside here, as you can see, when you scroll down, you can see there is an option called Intermediate English, which has been updated in the Duolingo. So you can just tap on it to learn the level of English which you want. So simply tap on continue, and it will ask you certain questions. You can simply click on continue, and you can just choose your level of English. If you are new to English, you can just choose that like that and click on continue, and just click on continue once again, and it will ask you several questions. So just give it answers just like this. And you can also set your daily goal just like this and click on continue and start practicing your English just like this. So that is exactly how you select English on Duolingo. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.